is up, everybody? We're back here again, and today, if you've been watching this channel since the beginning, I know I have, you should too, but the first mod that I did to my M3, we're going to be taking a throwback, and we're going to be doing the same type of mod to the GTR. And not only that, we're also going to take it a step forward, and we're going to do some red vinyl accents on the car. So let's get started with it. I'm going to show you guys exactly what that is. So first thing we got here is going to be these door lights. They say GTR when you open it up. It's pretty dope. I really like that. I really like seeing that when you open the door. It's just something a little bit different than the standard booty lights that it comes with. And then we got this red vinyl strip for the body panels. I really like the way it looks on the Nismo, so we're going to go ahead and try that. I've seen it on a few other cars and I really like it, so we're going to go ahead and try that. First thing we're going to go ahead and knock out is going to be the lights, and then we're going to do the vinyl. Everything that I'm going to be doing today, it'll be linked down below, so if you want to take advantage, go ahead, buy it. They're mods that are under $20, honestly. Anybody can do this for under 20 bucks. Add a little bit of flair to your GTR or any car, to be honest. They make these for a bunch of different cars, so let's get right to it. Opening up the box, it comes with your instructions, 2 lights, obviously, 2 doors. Usually they come in pairs of 2s, even if you have more than 2 doors. And this little flathead. I don't know where my little trim removal piece is, but I'm just going to use this very carefully to pop the light out, and then I'll show you exactly how that goes. Alright, so first thing, just gotta pop this light out. Comes out fairly easily, as you can see here. Just want to pop the whole thing out, not just that. So really, it's hooked in there. So you just want to pop it out. Just be careful not to break anything, really. That is the thing you want to do when doing this. So it is being a pain in the ass. Really wish I had my trim removal tool. But just like that, popped out easily. Then you're going to see here, it's got a little clip thingy-majigger. You're just going to pop that out, and it should be simple once you get that popped out to get it all done. So let me just pop this out. That comes out. I'm going to go ahead and pop this little cover back on. I don't want that to get lost. Then all it is, popping this new one in, pushing it down, popping it in, and then you just pop that in, and bam, would you look at that, how simple it is, but look how nice it looks on the ground, GTR, and a lot brighter also on this side. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll move into the trim. Just like that, both sides are done. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like at night. Now we're going to get on to the next part. Let's go. Alright, for the next part, we're going to be putting this vinyl, this red vinyl. I'm going to be putting it all over the edge of the lift kit and some parts of the front bumper, just because I want to, because I like it. I want to see how it looks, and I'll probably run it like that for a little bit, but let's get to that. So far it looks flippin' amazing. For just some red vinyl, I think it came out great. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of it, which is gonna be the side skirts. And I don't know if it's gonna be too much, but I wanna do this piece here and this piece. I'll do it and then I'll see how I like it and go from there. But let's go ahead and knock the side skirts out. Should be a lot easier since it's just one straight piece. beyond ecstatic on how it came out. I'm gonna show you guys a quick cinematic here in a little bit, but damn, it came out really good. There are some spots that aren't perfect, but I'm not a professional. I just do this stuff for fun. And it's a good 10-footer. But it looks really good and I'm excited. So glad I decided to do this. It's an easy process. Just a little vinyl strip, but really made a difference in my opinion on how the car looks. Super happy I did it. So let's go ahead and hit that cinematic. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys look forward into doing something like this. Simple mods to make your car stand out. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Rez out.
You